All right, Sam, let's just give it a go. That's better. Thank you. Well, we only got married 2 years ago, but we've been together 16 years. Let's have 1 minute of this. I'm going to have to cut this 30 seconds before. Ladies and gentlemen, 15, 14, 13. What was that? That's too fast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I couldn't think of a better way. Happy New Year! Oh my Lord. Everybody kiss, come on. Don't get puritanical now, it's time to kiss. Thank you to the marquee, we love you. Someone kiss that goddamn Sierra. Someone behind the bar, grab that woman in a rapture. Grab them all. Happy New Year, everybody. Let's clean out the cobwebs. Happy New Year, Sam. Thank you so much. Thank you to the marquee.